Hanggang ngayon ay pinag-uusapan pa rin ang nasabi nga pong relasyon ni Ken Suson kay Jenica Sanchez. Well, ilang mga netizen or fans ang naa-accept na ang nasabi nga pong tila love of his life ni Ken na si Jenica. Ilang mga fans ang nagpahayag ng kanilang damdamin. Ang iba ay in denial at sabi nila, huwag kayong ano dyan, iniwan sa pedestrian lane kaya di yan totoo, para sa MV lang yan, sure ako. Well, talagang in denial nga ang ilang fans. Ang ilang fans ay hindi nga matanggap ang nasabi nga pong relasyon ni Ken kay Jenica Sanchez na ngayon ay sobrang nilantad na nga sa social media or sa publiko ni Ken. Hindi man niya ito pinapakilala, pero yung pagpapakita sa publiko ay pagpapakilala na po yan. But anyway, mula kay Bel Dakwel, aniya many of you witness how he was before, how sadness showed in his eyes. Now that he has found his smile again, why is he being met with hate? You said you love him for who he is. You said you were inspired by his words, his actions, and his songs. Yet now that he is the one inspired and genuinely happy, you are attacking the very source of that happiness. You claim it's concern. You say you don't want him to get hurt again because of past issues, but instead of protecting him, you are surrounding him with negativity. He simply wants to be happy. If you are truly concerned, then pray. Wish for him to be guided in his decision, for his heart to remain joyful, and for it never to be broken again. He trusted us, he loves us deeply, and yet some people turn the things that bring him happiness into reasons for his sadness. This is his life. Allow him to learn from his experiences. Let him be happy because that is all he wants. That's not concern. That is selfishness. Say naman din ng isang fan, hello everyone, I'm a baby 18 too. Wala pa namang confirmation from Ofifi and the other members about the issue of our rock star Chicken and Jenica. So 18, if we are true fans and we love our kings, mamahalin at susuportahan talaga natin sila sa kung anong gusto nilang gawin at sa kung anong ikakasaya nila. I know na maraming nasasaktan ngayon and yung iba hindi pa nga matanggap. You know guys, it's okay lang na masaktan and I understand kung anong nararamdaman nyo kasi mahal na mahal natin ang mahalima. But they are also at the right age to stop overreacting at huwag tayong maghimasok sa buhay nila. Na para bang pagmamay-ari natin sila, especially kay Ken, parang pigilan siya sa mga desisyon niya, hayaan lang natin silang gawin ang gusto nila. Pero if totoo man ang issue or not, let's still support them no matter what. Kasi one day, darating din yung araw na magkakaroon na sila ng sarili nilang pamilya. Need din nila na magkakasama sa buhay or na makakasama sa buhay. Mahalin lang natin sila, not just as an inahangaan, but as our inspiration and the way kung paano nila tayo minahal at napasaya. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.